Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to help and guide you on how to check recently watched reels on Instagram in easy way. So make sure to watch this video until the very end so we can't miss any steps of this process. Now let's jump into the video. There is no direct history that we can check on Instagram to view our recently watched reel, so we need to use some different methods, and that hopefully help us find and view any reels that we watched in the past. We want to watch again, right? So the first method you're going to do is viewing reels, and you just swiping through and you want to go back and see the reel that you just watched. You can simply swipe down to go in reverse and see the reels that you've already swiped past. So this would be a great way to rewatch a reel that you've recently watched. But if you're looking to find a reel that you watched maybe a couple of days ago or a couple of weeks ago, there's a method we can use to find that. So to do that, the first thing we need to do is go to our profile, and we can do that by selecting our profile icon in the bottom menu of Instagram. Once you get your Instagram profile selected, select the three horizontal line in the top right of Instagram to open the menu, and then select your activity. Now all we need to do is check two different areas under interactions. So the first, select likes, and in here you'll see all the different likes that you made on Instagram. This include on any reel, so maybe you like the reel that you're looking for. You can find it in this list here because this contains all the likes you made on Instagram. You can use the top filter out of different dates or even authors. You'll be able to see all the different authors here, and you can search through them and find the author of the reel that you were looking for. Additionally, maybe you made a comment on the reel that you're looking for. You can go into your comments here and see a history of all the comments that you made on Instagram. And this includes any reel, so you can go through, filter this, or scroll through this if you want to find the reel that you watched in the past. And that's it. So before we end this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe if you are new here.